Hey, what's up, YouTube? Let me show you guys how we do this floor. You start off right there on the edge. You spread your way out from the longest wall. Those line pieces. Let's see. What's up, YouTube? Showing you guys some flooring. That's what I do at work. Show you guys when it's done. That's what I do. Yeah. Let's see. That's what I got going so far. Almost there. It's hot. Here by myself, no helpers. Gotta carry the floor from across the street, bring it up here. It's gonna take my time. It's alright. So this is how you do it. You're gonna go from this room to that room, right? So you wanna mark here. You wanna mark here. You always wanna give it a little expansion gap. And you measure the distance from here to here. You mark that here, and you kind of cut that off, put that on, and then you continue going. That way it's all one continuous piece throughout the rooms. So after you have this piece installed, you want to dry fit all the rest of the long ones. Dry fit all of these, and you face nail the edge of these, and then you have a straight line, and then you start back from that way. Start back all the way this way. And then you continue into the kitchen, and that's how it's done. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If not, come work for me, I'll teach you. We'll get it done. Alright guys, I don't want to bore you guys with these construction videos. I know they're stupid, boring videos. Just want to show you guys real quick. Alright. Sam's garage, yeah. We do it all. I mean, I do it all. No, we, I, me. The man with the master plan. Look at that. I'm a beast with these floors, man. So this is where I'm at so far. I'll show you guys. This room. Kitchen's done. I'll do this room. I got the floors all done.